Hi, my name is Tom Prowse and I'm a data school consultant at the Information Lab. This session is going to be around the split functionality within Tableau Prep. We're going to focus on the common action of splitting a column into subparts by identifying a pattern. For this demonstration, I'll be using data from the How to Split Data Fields Prep and Data blog post, so I'd recommend taking a look at the link in the description below. So going on to Tableau Prep, as you can see, we've got a data set here which identifies product codes which are related to soap products. As you can see, this is just one column of data, but it looks like there are three different sections within each of the product codes. The first section, which is the type of soap, the second is the scent, and then finally there is the code for each product. Now ideally we want these into three separate columns, one for type, one for scent, and then one for code. So Tableau Prep can do this really easily. First, we need to click on the three dots just here. Then we've got split values. Now we've got two choices here. We can do an automatic split or a custom split. So for this example, I'm going to choose automatic split. As you can see, Tableau has automatically split out the three different categories that we wanted. So we've got our type here, we have our scent, and then we have our code. So Tableau's done this automatically, and it's been really simple for me. If you'd like to take a look at how Tableau actually did this, looking at the changes bar here, if we click here, you can see that Tableau has actually created three different calculations, one for each of the splits, and then these can be edited if you require. We've got another example here. So if I bring in the second data set and press here, sometimes the automatic split isn't exactly what you need. As you can see, this is structured in a similar way where we have type, scent, and code. However, this time, if we choose split options and an automatic split, as you can see, Tableau hasn't split it in the same way that we were expecting. Therefore, we just need to use a slightly different option. So if I just press back here, and this time, instead of automatic split, we're going to use a custom split. Now this allows us to use a separator and tell Tableau how the data should be split. So in our case here, I'm going to use as a separator, a space, a dash, and a space. This is because in between each of our categories, as you can see, we've got the bar, a space, dash, and then scent, and then the same here. So each time we want it to be split by here. Now we've got some different options here as well. First, or if we choose first, we can split off just the first word. So if we just wanted bar or liquid soap, we could just use first, and then that would just take the first split. We can also do that with the last, and we can also choose how many times we split the field by. However, because we want to choose all of our and split all of the data, we're going to select all, choose split, and then as you can see, Tableau has split our string as expected. Again, we can take a look at the calculations and change those if required. And that's all we're going to cover with the split functionality in this video. As I mentioned previously, take a look at the Prep and Data blog post with more information about how to split different fields within Tableau Prep. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and take a look at the next video within this series, which is all related to the ranking features within Tableau Prep.